Testing. Okay, so let me do a recap of what we did the last week. So last week was actually Chinese New Year week, right? So we didn't do anything. So we talk about previous, okay, before last week. So before last week, we already started the reproduction in plants. Can I check if any one of you already done that in your school? Doing this in your school? Yes?
I have science.
You don't have science. Good.
I don't see a science.
Are you doing this in your school now? Not this. What topic are you doing in your school now? Science?
Air.
Air? You're studying about air. Okay. Well done. This is important, of course. Yeah, so we all need air. Right, especially the fish, okay? So I got a new fishes. Fish or fishes? Fishes.
Goldfish.
No, goldfish. Those are molly fish.
Why didn't you?
Molly fish. Let me show you.
Molly.
Molly
Oh,
fish.
Molly. That's Molly.
No, he said molly.
Molly.
Molly. This one.
Molly.
Right, so I got 6 of them. Right.
These don't lay eggs, right?
This one. Molly is the word.
Do they lay eggs? They don't, right?
I actually don't know. Okay.
They are mammals.
They're fish. They're not mammals. Mammals are pet.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They're fish that doesn't lay eggs.
Talking about. Okay, I don't think they lay eggs. Okay, so this is what I have here. Only 6 of them. Apart from that, I have like.
Can you search
shrimp,
water snail?
Shrimps, aquarium. Wait, so blue color.
Yeah, I saw them. They're really small.
No, I have one blue one.
Oh, wait, where?
There's a blue one, right? It's hiding. It's hiding, right?
I saw the red one.
The red, they're all assorted color. Okay, blue, and then we have red.
I saw one red and white. Yeah.
Oh, so there's multiple red ones, right? Red color, and then we have the white and red. White, red, yeah, right? And then there's a transparent one.
Oh yeah, I saw the transparent one.
Yeah, I told the guy, give me 5 different types. Okay, so there's a transparent.
What's the other one?
I don't know. I think it's just one pink or red color one.
I want to see the blue.
Yeah, so there's a blue guy, there's a red guy, there's a white color, red and white color, and there's a transparent one. Right? Please don't shake the table, right? Please do not shake the.
I can't find the blue one.
It's hiding, it's clever, you know. You can't go and pick it out, right?
Oh, everywhere, even the stones.
No, there's a cave-like area. A lot of them like to hide inside there because they need to sleep. Okay, so yeah, as you go along, try to find. I have a ghost.
Show him the blue one.
Yeah, it's called a ghost. See, there's a ghost shrimp. There's one ghost shrimp.
That's the clear one.
There's one blue shrimp.
Blue shrimp.
Yeah. There's blue shrimp.
Yeah, there is, I think.
Okay, all these are inedible. You can't eat them.
Why? Come on.
Who eats a blue shrimp? Nobody eats a blue shrimp. Okay.
What happens if you eat it?
I don't know. Right. So once in a while, it will come out.
Why
Right?
didn't you get a tiger shrimp?
No, why would I get a tiger shrimp?
So show us a tiger shrimp.
Yeah, what's a tiger shrimp? Tiger shrimp. Oh,
Oh,
it is a little too big. Okay, I can't put like a tiger shrimp. Hey, hi, hi, happy New Year. Your mom is here. Special delivery for you. Okay, so I can't put a tiger shrimp inside, right? Because it's going to be too gigantic.
Wait, won't it eat the fish?
Yeah, you might end up eating the fish, then the fish might become food for the shrimp. So that will be bad. Alright, so what I'm trying to achieve is to have a nice ecosystem there where I don't need to do anything, they'll take care of themselves. Okay? So basically the plants are food. The shrimps eat the algae. And whatever things that drop onto the bottom. The fish will eat the grass.
And what about the snail?
The snail will eat the algae.
Can I see a water snail?
Water snail. Small ones, right? Tiny one.
They look like a normal snail.
Yeah, of course, it's like a normal snail. It's just that they can survive underwater. Okay, they will
Oh,
live
that's that ice cream cone one.
on the leaves. Yeah. Okay, so they will just walk around, blow bubbles.
When are you going to buy it? Blow bubbles? That's a weird thing.
No, I'm just kidding. Alright, I don't know. I just bought it today, so hopefully they can live happily for now, right? Hopefully lah. You can live happily for now, and observe and see how they are doing before we close them up or even buy more
No, I'm
animals.
excited to go to P6.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Let's really do that aquarium.
Yeah, they gotta study that, right? That's the
And also,
ecosystem.
I heard you talking about dinosaurs.
Did I? Oh, I think I did. Yeah, I did talk about dinosaurs.
I like dinosaurs.
Okay, but we don't study dinosaurs.
Why?
I don't know. Because they're not around anymore. Anyway, let me do a recap, okay? So P5 science, we do plants. So that's why you did the three round glass pots of plants, right? So how do they grow? Why do plants reproduce?
Because to
They
ensure
need
their
to
own kind.
to survive, right? Every living thing is like I need my own kind to survive. It is called the
Just like
basic
family.
survival instinct. You know what survival
Survival of the
instinct?
fittest.
Yeah, you know what survival instinct? That means you don't need to think, but you react in a certain way. Let me give you an example. Let me give you an example. If something were to be thrown in your direction, in your face like that, what's the first reaction? Yeah, you will and then you close your eyes. Okay. Do you have to think? Do you have to like, oh no, there's a
No.
hand coming? You don't have to do that. Why? Survival. Your brain is like, oh, dangerous. Do
Instant
defense.
reaction.
Was it the 11, the last lesson?
2 weeks ago. So minus 14 is 4.
Is that fourth?
Yeah, 4. Okay, so anyway, plants need to reproduce, okay, to ensure. So it's the same for all living things, you need to reproduce. So how do plants reproduce? 2 ways, right? Either the flowering or the non-flowering way. So flowering way,
If a fish
yeah,
cannot lay eggs, then how do they ensure their income? Like those
they give birth to young alive.
alive.
Yeah, just give birth to
They
young.
give birth.
I'm not so sure about this. Molly, I'm not sure.
They do.
Is molly.
Molly fish, I don't know.
Nobody
Okay, let me
calls
see.
them bullies.
How does molly fish reproduce?
Giving birth alive.
Step by
They
step.
vomit.
Vomit.
They vomit? When did
Yeah,
you
there you see. Male, female.
What's the difference?
Molly fish
Why
legs.
didn't you get a black one?
Do they legs? How do mollies reproduce? So do molly lay eggs or are mollies live bearers? Answer this question. Oh man, what's the answer? No. So molly do not lay eggs. They
I
give
told
birth
you.
to complete fish that are ready to swim in a matter of hours, right? Yeah, so if they do reproduce, that's great. Okay, I can sell some of the fish because each one costs me like I think $1. One fish, $1.
So,
Just wait for like 50 years and there's gonna be a bunch of fish.
Yeah, and the shrimps are actually more expensive. Guess how much is a shrimp?
Why don't we put water inside our domes and then put the fish in there?
Huh? Is that what?
We put water inside the globes and put
No,
the
it
fish in
cannot. Because those are not water plants.
There's also a medical case.
Those are not water plants.
So there was a person
Right?
and then he was swimming. Then a really tiny fish
Mm.
swam through the nail. He just lived.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Just some story, yeah. Alright, so anyway, back to here, right? So plants, 2 types, okay? Flowering or non-flowering. So flowering means got flower, just like Suchen's shirt, okay? There's a flower out there. Non-flowering, yeah, there's a flower. Non-flowering is just like
No flowers.
no flowers, okay? Over there, right? All the plants they have, they don't have flowers.
But they look like flowers.
Yeah. So how do they reproduce? From spores, right? So flowering, we have seeds and other plant parts. Page one, first one. Yeah, they do. First page, I read page one. Takes a long time. Very, very long.
It's
Okay.
a long time for what?
To reproduce. He's talking about the plants. So anyway, reproduction in flowering plants. So flowers play an important role. Now flowers come from fruits. Okay, we saw many examples of that. I showed you the apple
You should have the
flower.
mango.
Apple flower turning into apple.
Yeah, it's like a.
Look at that. This is how it looks like. Okay. Tuk 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 tuk. Tuk 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 tuk. Tuk 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 tuk. That's it. Okay. Without flower, no fruit. Without fruit, no seeds. Got it? Okay.
If you take
Without seeds, no fruit.
if you take the seeds out of
Yeah.
the apple, can you grow it again?
So you need a seed. By the way, something interesting. Do you know apple seeds are poisonous?
No?
Apple seeds are
You
poisonous.
didn't know
I
that,
ate like
right?
one.
Oh, see, apple seeds are poisonous.
No, are apple seeds.
Did you know apple seeds are poisonous? If the seeds are chewed or crushed, they convert to cyanide, and that's how it can be deadly in high
Oh, I
doses.
just swallowed it.
Okay, but a little bit is fine. Okay, you need to eat like a kilogram of seeds. A
Who's gonna eat
kilogram.
that?
It's like one whole bottle of seeds, and then you just eat the apple seeds. Then you'll be bad. Okay, just a bit is fine. Alright, why are they poisonous? Because it's their own survival, their way of survival, prevent animals from eating them because it's supposed to smell bad.
But it doesn't smell bad. It
But
smells
other animals don't eat the seeds, right? They shoot the seeds out from the mouth because they're like, ugh. Right. But humans are too big size. We're like, I don't mind, like, right? Just
But I
eat
don't
the
eat
thing.
seeds.
Yeah. Anyway, so this is a cycle, okay? We need this cycle so that you get a new plant. Sorry. So for flower, there are two types. Two parts, right? With the male part and the female part. Yep. So the male part are the anther and the filament. Female part is the stigma, star, ovary, ovule. Okay. Now I'm going to cover this, and you're going to tell me. All right. We need to learn how. We need to memorize. Okay. Have you memorized this?
No.
Can you memorize it
I
now?
try, yeah, when I learned this, I was trying to memorize it.
Yes. Can you
It's
memorize
too
this
much.
now? Because I'm gonna draw a box. A box. A box. Oh, why doesn't it cover?
Oh.
Is it this? Yeah, box.
What is that? Ovule?
Antenna and
No, enter. Enter and filament.
the stigma. Now,
It's
ovary, oval.
enter and filament.
Yeah, and that's okay. Can memorize first. I give you 30 seconds. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4,
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's
I
ask
know.
Ashita.
And
Wait. One at a time.
Enter
Here.
and the filament.
Male is.
Enter
Then
and the filament.
female is.
It's stigma.
Stigma, style,
Star.
ovary, and ovule.
One more.
Ovule.
Whoa. Okay, stigma, star, ovary, ovule, right? Good job. Okay, so some of the plants have both the male and the female, some are separate. Okay, so but for the male to fertilize the female, you need an insect. Okay, you need a pollinator. What is a pollinator?
Nobody knows.
Pollination. What's the meaning of pollination? Okay, so in pollination, we see the bee hungry, right? Because there's a queen at home. So the queen is always like, dude, I'm hungry. All you little workers, can you go and find food for me? I'm too lazy to go. Bring me the bubble tea. Bring me the bubble tea. Okay, the queen is always in a hive doing that. So the poor workers, thousands of workers, right, have to satisfy the queen. So what do? They go around looking for honey. All right. So where do they extract the honey from? Flowers, right? So as the pollinator, this bee comes to the flower trying to extract honey. Some of the pollen grain will accidentally be attached to the body of the bee. Okay. I've shown you the picture, right? Have I shown you the picture? Pollen grains attached to bee. Look at that. Okay, these are called pollen grains. The pollen grains gets attached
Why?
to the body of the bee.
Why?
Because the bee is hairy and hungry. And the pollen grains have got this curve, this hook-like structure thing. So they get attached to this flower, and the bee, because they have to satisfy here's another one. They have to satisfy a very, very hungry queen. It cannot only go to one flower, it has to visit many, many flowers.
So it put it in its mouth.
No, it doesn't even put it in its mouth. You mean like the honey or what?
It just rolls around.
Are you talking about the honey or the pollen grain?
The bee.
The bee, yeah, the bee just flies around trying to find honey,
And
okay?
you just stick onto it.
Yeah, so the pollen grains get stuck. This looks like what? Twisties, right? Can you imagine all the twisties crumbs? Twisty crumbs. Okay, twisty crumbs get stuck onto the bee. Now obviously the bee cannot brush it away because the bee doesn't have hands.
Yeah, I'm going to eat the bee.
Yeah, they can't they can't do this, you know. Can't do
I
this.
cannot just eat a bee.
You can.
But
Yeah.
it might poke your
Later I show you, okay? But we talk about this first.
I want to see a person eating a bee.
No,
Why?
later. Because I bought a bee before. It costs
And
$2
And then
Really?
per bee. Yeah, you can go to the traditional Chinese medicine hall. You just go and tell them, Mr. Traditional Chinese medicine guy, I want the most potent drink to cure sore throat. And then he'll go into the chamber, he'll take out this huge packet of something. Okay, in this huge packet of something inside, there's a bee. Dead bee, of course.
oh my god.
So you're supposed to bring this huge packet of thing, go home, go and boil it for like 49 hours or something like that. Everything be like dissolve and melt, become molten. So the bee just disintegrates into the drink. You drink that thing, 2 hours later, normal sore throat.
Why would you do that to the bee?
I don't know, right? So anyway, the bee will fly to another flower. Okay, so the flower, and of course, when it flies to another flower, you can see this. Imagine here flying to another flower. It will shake some of the pollen grain away. Okay, and some of it will drop into the female. What are the female parts of the flower again?
Stigma, style, ovary, and oval.
Yeah. Ovule, no ovum.
Oval.
Okay, so female
Ovule.
parts are these stigma, style, ovule. So the bee come here, some of the pollen grains drop inside, go inside here and will fertilize. So once fertilization is successful, the flower will turn into fruit with the seeds inside. Okay, the seeds will be inside. So that's how you get this fruit. Okay, without the pollinator, the bee, it's not gonna work. And of course, the credit goes to the queen bee, right? Because if the queen bee is hardworking, does the worker bees have to go and do all this? No, because the queen bee is lazy and is at home and like watching Netflix every day. And then it's like, give me my bubble tea, give me my bubble tea, right? So all the workers are like, okay, trying to find honey. Go home to give to the queen bee. Have you seen a queen bee before?
No, I've never.
No?
What's different?
I seen a queen and
Queen bee. Look at that.
What's different about them?
Huh? Bigger. There? Bigger. The rest are small.
And then what's a queen ant?
Queen ant is like much bigger.
how about big ant?
What?
How about king ant?
There's no king ant.
Why is it only queen?
You. Then say so big.
E.
The male are so small, the female is so big.
E. Look at that one.
Yes, huge.
No, look at that. The big one. The
Huh?
big. Yeah.
Doesn't look real.
Zoom on it. So go to
That's
its
not
beak.
blue.
It looks like some kind of bird, okay? So, back. Right, so all thanks to the lazy queen, the flowers gets to reproduce, because if there were no such thing as pollinators and bees trying to find food for the queen,
No fruits.
yeah, no fruit, no, you don't get to eat apple, no, no apple, no. Will you feel sad if there's no
She
apple?
said, I don't care. I
No,
don't
she's
eat
no.
apple.
You don't eat apple. How about papaya? Do you like to eat
I
papaya?
don't even like papaya. I haven't even eaten an apple in 7 years.
Mango?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I like
Without all these pollinators, you don't have mango. So you gotta thank the queen. You got it? Be the queen. Don't be the worker. The queen is like bubble tea. Everything comes to you, okay?
It's not bubble tea. It's called
Yeah, next.
milk.
Animals of wind. Okay, now if there are no animals, wind can also help to carry the pollen grain.
You just fly.
Yeah, they just fly away, okay? So reproduction in non-flowering plants. Now, non-flowering plants will be the bird's nest fern, which we have one just outside, okay?
Where?
Just outside the tree, the big tree on top, there's a bird's nest
Oh,
fern.
my house, so there's a huge airway,
Yeah,
okay? And near the opening roof, okay,
yeah,
there's a bird nest there.
yeah. Bird nest fern.
Even a baby bird a chip just fell down. And do you know how?
Is
Yeah.
it true if you touch like a bird's egg, then it will not like hatch in
No, it's not true.
human?
No, not true. You will still hatch one, okay? So anyway, bird's nest fern. So bird's nest fern is that do they have flowers?
No,
Do they have fruits?
no.
Do they have seeds?
Spores.
They reproduce by spores. I think I showed you, right?
Wait, don't they like pop?
Yeah.
Remember you showed us a video.
Oh,
Yeah, we watched the video. Okay, so all these just explode. The boom, the boom, the boom, boom.
Yeah, because
Oh.
I
Explosion.
so I touched it.
Yeah, some people are allergic to this. Example, me. Okay, so there was once I tried to. Someone was saying, "Hey, smell this flower. The flowers smell so nice." Okay, I was like, "Oh, I smell the thing that I have flu for 2 days." Why?
She
Because-
made you smell a fern.
No, flower, right? So the spores and the pollen grains are like almost the same size. Okay, so all these pollen grains, when they fly around, inevitably you and I we will inhale some of them. Okay, but we don't inhale like a lot. But then unless we put our nose like really close, you inhale the whole thing. That's it, man. All the spores go inside. Right? No, you won't die, but your body, your system is like trying to get rid of it.
You must probably go hospital.
Get rid of it. You keep sneezing. Acha, 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 acha.
Because the bird nest fern is
Yeah.
near is in the playground of one of the playgrounds of my school.
Mm-hmm.
So then I just start.
Yeah, everything just fly
Then
everywhere.
I just
I know what I mean. The powder will fly everywhere. Okay, so that's how they reproduce because they don't have honey, right? The
I didn't
bees,
think the spores are that big.
no, the bees don't like them. You know, bees don't go to the ferns and say, "Hey, do you have honey?" They know there's no honey. Okay, so no bees. So they have the only way for them to reproduce is through this way, right? Through air, right? Spores, explosion of the spores. Now, because of this and the fact that look at this is disgusting, right? Look at that. I don't think it's real. Is this real?
It looks like.
Looks fake, you know. This looks
That looks
fake.
like a marker.
Yeah, it doesn't look real.
These are basically all just.
Yeah, now there are so many of them that now there could be like a few, okay?
A
Spores.
what?
A few spores. Because they're so tiny and they fly over the place. Okay, unless you go into a clean room, those kind of room where they clean the air. Okay, if not,
To clean the air.
yeah, if not in clean room, don't you know a clean room?
I just put some pure oxygen.
Yeah.
Next to it, and then just set.
Yeah, that's not a clean room. Unless you go to a clean room like that,
So a hospital.
likelihood is that there are spores everywhere. Okay.
So a hospital.
Yeah. So did I tell you about my table where the mushroom grew?
No.
I didn't tell you. Yeah. So I had a cupboard actually. Okay, not a table. The material is like this. So one day, all of a sudden, I see like a white color thing on it. I thought it was a USB cable.
What?
I thought it was a USB cable. Okay. And then on closer look, I went closer and said, "Oh my god, it is a mushroom."
How could you think it was a USB cable?
It's a mushroom, okay? White
edible?
fungus mushroom.
Is it edible?
No, it's not edible. And not this lah.
I don't think that.
Oh yeah, I love those things.
White mushroom, okay?
I
It
always
looks
get a USB cable.
something like this. Something like this. Like something like this. This one.
Oh, the tiny ones?
Yeah.
It's a straw mushroom.
I like those.
Yeah.
Okay, but inedible one,
Hot dog,
Cannot eat one. So it looked like one. I saw like only one. But actually, when I went to the back, I saw like one whole bunch of them. Okay.
Did you eat it?
Of course not. I threw them away, right?
Why?
What do you mean why?
Just pluck it out and just put a hot
No, they grew from my cupboard, right? Nobody wants to eat stuff like that. Cupboard, right? So how did this grow?
There be anything on the
How did you have
water?
a mushroom?
and
Yeah, so
water.
there's moisture because the room. I think there was once we forgot to close the window and then water came in, so the whole cupboard, right? Eventually I had to throw it away because it's infested with mushroom. Okay, this is very sad. Yeah. But I can't get rid of them because the spores are inside everywhere and they will just keep growing. Okay, so if I throw away like 2 mushrooms, like pluck throw, grow another one, pluck throw, grow another one. I was like, okay, mushroom, you win. Alright, I throw away the whole thing. Okay, so no more table.
Was it in the classroom?
No, at home. Yeah, so that's the bird's nest fern, right? That's how the ferns come about. Do people grow ferns on their body?
No.
Will ferns grow on? How come ferns don't grow on our body, our hair, or you know?
If we are not a tree.
Yeah, right. It's because our cells are dying all the time, and we replenish the cells. Okay, at any one point in time, our cells are being replenished. Okay, so spores, you talk about spores. Next, the dispersal. So we have different ways in which the seeds are dispersed. Now, why does the seed needs to be dispersed? Why don't everyone just grow together? Their families, right? Don't they like to be together with their
Yes.
parent plant?
You zoomed onto the eye.
Huh?
You zoomed in into the eye of the bee.
Did I?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Overcrowding plants. Okay, why don't we grow the plants like this? Like make all of them climb together. Why do their seeds needs to be dispersed, like far away?
I don't know.
So you can share their own kind.
Huh?
So you can travel.
Travel far away,
To China.
right? Travel to China. Now, if you put too many plants together, what happens to all these plants? Eventually,
They die.
yeah, they die because they are killing each other for what? Nutrients. I mean, they can't like kill each other, okay? But then they are snatching away nutrients from the
The
soil.
roots.
Yeah, so there will not be enough water, right? So another problem with this type of plants growing this way is that they cover the amount of oxygen, this sunlight that the other plant can get. So if you look at our little aquarium, eventually half of the grass will die. Why? Because there's too many. Then those that don't grow fast enough at the bottom, they all die and they become
All the
fertilizers.
fishes eat them.
What?
All the animals eat them.
Yeah, they become fertilizers for the other plants that will grow tall. You know what's the moral of the story?
No.
Grow faster.
Tell that to the plants.
Grow up faster, right? If not, you end up as fertilizers for other people.
No,
Same
it's
for
only
human beings.
plants, not for humans.
Alright, so seed dispersal, we have wind, animal, waters, like Power Rangers, wind, water, animal. You know Power Rangers?
Have you seen the Indian Power Rangers?
What do you mean? Indian Power Rangers?
Powdy.
Indian
What's that?
Power Rangers.
Power.
I haven't seen Indian Power Rangers before.
What?
This one?
That one, yeah.
Are you sure it's this?
Yes.
Are you this one? Wait. This is the intro. What is this?
Fire. Is that wind? Is that wind or air?
I don't know.
Why are you watching this now?
I don't know. He say he recommend us.
This is a weird paper. Are they the same people?
Yeah, I think they're the same guy. Fire.
Talking in English?
Never mind. Yeah, I don't know what is this. How about the real Power Ranger? How does that sound like?
Okay.
Intro. I think it's the intro. This one, right? Opening theme. Yeah, I remember watching this. Ah.
10,000 years I'm free. Time to conquer Earth.
Hello, Freedom Escape. Recruit a team of teenagers with attitudes.
What? This is so old. Is this a pink one?
Kimberly. Look at the background. Billy.
I thought that was a green one.
I don't know. No animal. Alrighty.
Did you
So
used to watch this?
yeah, I used to watch this, right? This was like my favorite show, and I know how to sing every single. I know how to sing the whole thing, because there's only 5 lyrics, right? Go go Power Ranger. That's all. The whole song is go go Power Ranger. Go go Power Ranger. Then go go Power Ranger. Mighty Morphin Power Ranger. That's all. The whole song.
You know, why do you want to watch it?
The whole song. Then the end is also the same. Go go Power Ranger.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, that's it. So why are we talking about that, right? So it's the same. There are the wind, water, animals, everything. Got it? So that's how seeds are being dispersed.
Watch that.
Okay, so how are they dispersed by the wind?
What's a lalang?
Oh man.
Lalang.
It's a plant called a lalang. No, what?
That is a lalang.
Oh, I had those.
Yeah, lalang is associated with wedding. You know why?
Meats?
You know why?
Why?
Because people like to take photographs at lalangs
Why?
when they go wedding
Why?
because of the foreground. You see, it looks nice. Yeah, lalang and wedding. People like to go and find. See, must have lalang one. No, take picture. No lalang, not nice. Yeah, see.
But the one doesn't have a lalang.
This
and
one,
it's in
she's holding a lalang. Can't you see?
No, I cannot. It's blurred.
She's holding one. Okay, here also. Yeah, he has one in his pocket. Can't you see that?
No, that's his glove or something.
He's holding one in his pocket. Okay, so
Wait,
lalang.
was there a lalang?
Yeah, must have lalang. Next time you all
See?
get married, must have lalang one. Got
No.
it? No lalang, no count. So anyway, they are dispersed by wind. How come? Because when the wind blows, all their seeds will fly everywhere. Okay, including onto their head.
These photos were taken in the Singapore.
Yeah.
Singapore.
Okay, so wind. Next one. Okay, so some of them also look like that, Angsana and Astoria. By animals. So animals are also helping the plants to be dispersed.
Sounds like girls' names.
Okay. Well, I think there are some people called Angsana,
Maybe Shuria.
Shoria, maybe, I don't know. Okay, so love grass mimosa by animals. Love grass animal.
What's
Okay.
love glass?
Love grass stuck on socks.
Socks.
Yeah, look at that. Okay, if you walk through a field, sometimes you're gonna get this stuck on your socks.
You said animal.
Human is an animal. Okay, so if they get stuck on humans like that, how about animals with fur? Definitely, right? So there's gonna be yeah. So sometimes people don't like to bring their dogs to this field. You know why? Because the dog can end up like that. With, love grass on fur. Okay, and it'll be terrible.
Okay.
See how disgusting is that?
Why?
Right?
I don't see
So
anything.
sometimes we don't bring dogs
I
to.
just see a dog.
Okay, let me try again. Okay, dog with hooks. What do you call it? Lalang on fur.
It's fine. It's just dog showering.
Hey, how come it's not? Google
It's a
isn't.
mommy robot.
Google isn't helping me. Okay. Stuck on dog's fur. Pollen, not pollen, seeds. There, look at that. Finally, look at this, yeah. So seeds, they get stuck onto the animals, and it's not about being stuck. You know, the problem is trying to take them out. It's extremely difficult to remove.
Why?
You have to cut out the hair,
Why
some of
can't
them,
you just pull it
because
out?
of the hook. The hooks, you see, sticks. All this, you see,
Wow, that's a
burdock
big one.
seeds. Yeah,
Is that cactus?
it's not cactus.
But like, look
There's-
how the
there's-
dog
You see all these
looks.
tiny grass seeds, okay?
Wait, go up.
Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at this. Right?
Wait, go up.
He looks like a grass himself.
No, go down.
Down.
Stop. Go left. Go down. Stop. Look at that dog's face.
Dog's face.
So sad.
This one,
No, no.
this one. Yeah, burdock seeds, right? So seed stuck. Stuck. on dog.
Cat.
I remember seeing one where it was very bad. Okay, it's like worse than this. They have to be
Okay.
removed one by one. No, it's just terrible. Okay,
What's that?
what's what?
Go up. And yeah, that photo.
This one?
No, the one beside it.
This one?
Yeah, this one. Just on it.
That's like some animal,
Is that a mole?
platypus or mole, yeah. So you see this one, poor thing, huh? See the whole leg, and you can't wash it off or no?
We go up. Then you saw a dog have a scarf.
Okay, socks also have. Okay, so you can't, and it's very hard to find. Remove
The
sticky.
foxtail could kill your animal. What?
What?
The
This one? No, the foxtail is the plant. The plant. The name of the plant.
Foxtail.
It's a plant.
Shaped as a foxtail.
Foxtail plant.
tail, not trail.
Google knows. Google knows.
Google does not know. He didn't autocorrect.
You see? You have to wear this.
Why?
If not, you'll get all the things
How
stuck.
is it supposed to be?
Foxtail.
Get stuck.
Look
Okay.
at the one on top of the.
Bad for dogs, yeah? Okay, you see the whole face full of this.
They don't look
I'm
sad.
gonna kill you, Adam.
They don't know, right? Eee,
What's that?
the nose. What are you doing, man? Alright, so that's how the seeds are dispersed, okay? Hooks onto the animal. So some other fruits have other strategies like making themselves very fleshy and juicy so that people will eat them and then throw away the seeds, okay? Example, the mango, the jackfruit, and the durian.
Wait, did
What?
we try jackfruit?
Of course you have.
I have.
Yeah.
Very sweet.
Have you tried John fruit?
Are you sure there's such thing called junk food?
It's John fruit.
That's a durian.
No, this is not durian, this is jackfruit. Jackie fruit. Okay, how about a John fruit?
Are you sure there's such thing as a junk food?
I don't know. See? John fruit. There.
Johnny.
Probably the guy's name is John and he's holding a.
John fruit. I don't know. Okay, so anyway, next one. Right, so mango, papaya, guava, right? So they get thrown
Wait,
away.
can you go to the translator and see what's papaya for Korean?
Korean papaya.
It's gonna sound so funny.
What? Google Translator.
Yeah.
Wait, how do we do that? Do this. Papaya. Do what?
Korean. Was it Korean or Japanese that did?
Japanese.
Papaya.
Try Japanese.
Papaya.
Yeah, it's Japanese.
Papaya. Papaya.
Big Mac. Take Big Mac.
What? Be my again.
McDonald's Big Mac.
Wait, is it with you? Did I do this with you?
Yeah.
No, in the math class.
Right, this is the full phrase, right?
マクドナルドビッグマックアップルパイ。
Yeah, this one is not right.
Oh
Okay.
my goodness.
Yeah. All right. So how about water? It's coconut. All right. It's coconut. Coconut food.
Is it coconut?
ココナッツ。ココナッツ。
Oh, mine also ended with
Good. All right. So fruits like this, okay, with this husk, right? They will be dispersed by water, right?
What's pong
Fibrous
pong?
husk. Pong pong. Let's ask her.
ポンポン。ポンポン。
Okay.
Pon pon.
This pong.
Nobody
No.
likes the Indian.
Then pong pong. So they cannot be eaten, right? You can't. It is poisonous. Okay.
Oh wait, I've seen them at the.
They're all over the roads. Yeah, they're all over the roads, right? Singapore loves to grow pong pong trees.
Oh yeah, I've seen them.
They are like very.
squashed by the car.
Yeah, but yeah, that's the problem, right? Pong pong. I don't know why they grow pong pong trees. Okay. But I think probably it's like cheaper.
Imagine if you grow those and then everywhere you keep the pom pom.
Yeah, so I really don't like this because I remember last time in the army we were running along the road and I accidentally stepped on one pong pong. Right, I sprained my leg. Yeah, I sprained my leg because they're all over the place, right? And then another time I was driving and then one pong pong landed onto my car. Just
Did you
dong.
crack it?
No, right? But it was a very loud pong. That's why it's called pong pong. You understand? Yeah, pong. You didn't
I
just
don't think that was a
pong.
pong pong because it only hit you one time, so it's only pong.
No, twice. Pong, 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 pong. You know, pong, pong. Okay.
There's a cartoon called Pong Pong.
What?
Pong pong.
Pong, pong, pong. 3 times.
Pong Pong Pong.
Pong, pong, pong.
It's just gonna be pong 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 pong.
Pom pom pom.
Tea. Put bubble tea.
Huh? Bubble tea.
Bubble tea.
Tapioca.
Tapioca tea.
Tapioca. Why tapioca?
Tapioca tea.
Kombucha.
A tiny one is, I don't know. Why?
Why is it tapioca?
Doraemon.
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 Alright, so moving
I like
on.
somehow the name.
Doraemon.
Power
Very cute,
Ranger.
that one. Power Ranger. Yeah, how do they call Power Ranger? Came from Japan, huh? By the way.
After that, put ETA.
Power Ranger.
Power Ranger.
Ija.
Ikea.
家族。
Hello.
No,
Computer.
it's a different thing. He actually translated to something else.
No, because you put a space.
Ah, must put space.
Yeah, it's still
Still
cousin.
the same.
No, press the enter button.
Enter, I did.
Yeah, it's still casual.
No, it's
We did math.
math.
So,
Mom,
数学。
No, they do the translation.
I
Right?
like my name. It's so
What's the name again?
Harusta or something.
Forgot. How do you do?
Hashini.
What do I do? What do I do?
春しに。
How do you see? Yeah. Hey, that's the Tamil writing.
No, I don't understand
See?
that.
春しに。
Ooh.
春しに。春しに。
I don't understand that.
Okay.
What do you mean Tamil writing?
That's Tamil writing. Is this Tamil writing?
No, I don't write like that in school.
Then what's this? I don't know how to.
I don't know.
I cannot recognize the.
Hindi detector. This is Hindi.
Okay, never
I'm
mind.
not Hindi.
Okay, so there's another one, right? It's a splitting action. Okay, splitting is rubber tree. Rubber tree.
We have one that's like.
We need to
there's
watch a
like systems.
video. Rubber tree splitting because it sounds like firecrackers. With
Yeah,
rubber
we
tree
need like those
splitting sound like
My friend can like just one chop a durian open.
cracking a wick. Okay, cracking
Cracking
tree.
tree. Viral.
You hear that?
Holy
That is a literal tree cracking. Okay, now we're not talking about
You say
this.
a rubber tree.
Rubber tree fruit cracking sound. Explosion. Frick.
That one. Part 2.
Part 2. Rubber tree. See? Look. Face.
റബ്ബറിന്റെ ഇത് റൈറ്റ് പാമ്പ് എങ്ങനെ ഇട്ടില്ല ബ്രേക്ക് ഓപ്പൺ
So language is improving in.
റൈറ്റ് പാമ്പ് പൊട്ടിത്തെറിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ it will go far.
നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ നിൽക്കുമ്പോ ചിലപ്പോ ഇങ്ങനെ ശബ്ദം കേൾക്കാം ഇത് പൊട്ടുന്നത്.
I don't understand that.
Okay. Okay, anyway, they pop open, okay? The pew. So I was told if you go to Botanic Gardens, Singapore one,
Of course.
and if it's in season, the rubber tree season, okay, you will hear something like war going on like that. You know, war, like people shooting.